Kinemaster. So open your Kinemaster and click on Create New. After clicking on Create New, you select your size 16:9. You select the size 16:9 and click Create. So you go to your media, choose image asset. Choose image asset. So you pick any image of your choice. So let me pick this one. So you extend it to the point you want. And now click on layer. After you click on layer, you click on media. Now wait. Pick the image you want to use as in the intro. Pick the image you want to use in the intro. So I'll pick this image to use in my intro. After that, I will go to layer again. Go to media. Now take the intro template. Let's go to our download and take the image template. Go to your download and take your image template. This is our image template 2.25. Now we have added our image template. Now we split it to fill the screen. We split the image template to fill the screen. We split the intro template to fill the screen. Split the intro template to fill the screen. Let's play and see. Now you remove the green screen. Extend your layer to match the intro. 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 Now extend your image. Extend your image to match the intro. Extend your image to match the intro. Now you click on the intro template like this, and now look for Chrome key. You click on the Chrome key like this. Now select the green screen. Select the green here. So you on it, enable it. Select green and the colors. So you mark it like this. So you arrange it nicely to fit what you are going to do. Now resize your image to fit. Resize your image to fit the intro template. Resize your intro to fit the image template. Yeah, resize your image to fit the intro template. I think this will be okay. Just play with the image how you want it to be. Just play with the image. Okay, I think this way is okay. Let's go back and play and see. This is the Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Watch to the end. Thank you. You now save it. Click on display. Pick 720p. Now save as video. You wait for it to save. And use it as your intro template for your channel.